Hello students, next two questions are more here we will discuss and you will not write fifth question of NCERT. Fifth आपने नहीं करना और sixth or seventh you have to after fourth, sixth or seventh. So here sixth our question is how did British succeed in securing and the submissions of the rebels landlord of Awadh कि जो rebels थे विद्रोही थे और these were the landlord means those were having a big lands large lands this especially living in Awadh means how they have make loyal to them toward the British कि उन लैंडलॉर्ड्स को ब्रिटिश के प्रति उन्होंने विश्वसनीय कैसे बनाया what promises they have made with the landlord, so that's why these rebel not do more revolt against the Britishers. So the Britisher succeed in securing the submissions of the rebel landlords of Awadh by adopting various methods such as first method they announce reward for the royal लैंड ओनर्स की जो रॉयल लैंड ओनर्स है रिच लैंड ओनर्स है ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट विल गिव सम रिवार्ड टू देम उनको कुछ इनाम देगी they were assured that they would be allowed to continue to enjoy their traditional right of their land कि traditional right means earlier they were using their land same like that they will use their land कि no any other foundation will be there their land will be not taken by the Britishers कि वो अभी भी वैसा ही यूज़ करेंगे जैसे वो पहले यूज़ करते थे those who had rebelled were told if they submitted to the British means surrender in the front of the British कि जिन लैंडलॉर्ड ने रेबल विद्रोह किया था if they will surrender to themselves to the Britishers और इवन तो दे हैव नॉट किल्ड एनी वाइट पर्सन अगर उन्होंने किसी भी वाइट पर्सन मीन्स ब्रिटिशर्स को नहीं मारा है दे वुड रिमेन सेफ वो फ्री होंगे और दे विल इंजॉय देयर ऑल राइट्स और देयर विल बी नो एनी काइंड ऑफ द क्लेम ओवर देम उन पर कोई केस नहीं होगा कोई क्लेम नहीं होगा वो अपने वही अधिकार यूज़ करेंगे इन दिस वे सच टाइप ऑफ द प्रोमिसेस दे हैव मेड टू द लैंडलॉर्ड ऑफ अवध to get their loyalty. Second question means the next question we will discuss here. Seventh, in what way did Britishers change their policy as a result of the rebel of 1857 कि 1857 के बाद ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट ने अपनी पॉलिसीज में क्या चेंज लाया तो उन चेंजेस के बारे में लिखना कहते हैं आई हेयर 5 or 6 पॉइंट्स आई हैव गिवन एंड यू विल राइट एनी 4 पॉइंट्स हेयर क्लियर 4 पॉइंट्स आप लिख लेना विच यू आर इजीली लर्न और विच आर नॉलेजेबल पॉइंट्स तो व्हाट चेंजेस वर फर्स्ट ब्रिटिश क्राउन टुक ओवर द कंट्रोल ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन मीन्स अर्लियर ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी वाज रूलिंग ऑन द इंडिया but now this all power has been gone in the hand of the British crown means जो वहाँ की महारानी थी गवर्नमेंट थी उसके अंडर चला गया ठीक है ना अर्लियर इन इंडिया गवर्नर जनरल वाज रूलिंग बट नाउ द पोजीशन ऑफ गवर्नर जनरल इज चेंज इनटू द वाइसराय तो इट मींस here according to this act the British parliament passed the Indian act of 1859 under which the power of East India company were transferred to the British crown or the British government was now directly responsible to ruling over the India first rule they have made this second provide a sense of security to the local rulers कि now they have given the security to the local rulers earlier they have made number of the policies पहले उन्होंने बहुत सारी पॉलिसी बनाई doctrine of lapse subsidiary alliance due to that what they want to increase their area their kingdoms कि वो उनको उनके राजाओं को किल करके या इफ़ एनी किंग हैज़ नॉट अ सन दे मिक्स देयर किंगडम इन ब्रिटिश एम्पायर उसको ब्रिटिश एम्पायर में मिक्स करते थे नाउ दे हैव कट दिस पॉलिसीज उन्होंने इस पॉलिसी को काट दिया नाउ ऑल द किंग विल एंजॉय देयर पावर द रूलिंग चीफ्स of the country were assured that their territories would never be annexed means नहीं ली जाएगी by the Britisher however they had to swear allegation to the British crowns they also abolished the doctrine of abolish means end करना जो doctrine of lapse थी उसको ख़त्म कर दिया इस तरह से उन्होंने किंग्स को भी काफ़ी सारी फैसिलिटी दे दी provide a sense of security to the landlord last question we have discussed कि to the landlord also they have given security. What type of policies were made to protect landlords and jamidars and give them security of right over their lands? कि now they have their own land, they secure it, they save it. Recognize the army. Now they put some change into the army also. In army earlier there were more Indians were there in the army. Now they start to recruited more European peoples there. Recognize the army. Proportions of the Indian soldier in army was reduced and the number of the European soldier in army was increased. Treated the Muslim with suspicions and hostiles. Here especially to the Muslim, they were against the Muslim. Here they have started to destroyed the properties of the Muslims. It means this was the negative aspects they have adopted. Considered them to the responsible for the rebellion in a big way. The British confiscated the land and property of the Muslim at large scale. Last point is here, promised non-interference in the sphere of the religion. कि now they have make promise कि they will not do any kind of the interfere in the Indians religion. Due to that the feelings of the Indians will be hurt, so that's why they will not interfere in the feelings in the religions of the Indians. So beta you write these all questions in your notebook. I will send pic also of these questions.